Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be working on my first paycheck for the month of June. If this is something that you're interested in seeing, keep watching. Okay, so before I get started with writing down my paycheck bill tracker, this form that I'm using is actually a download from the Budget Mom. I'm not sponsored by her, but I really like her sheets. I don't need to purchase the workbook or anything like that, but she does have sheets that you can buy individually, and I believe when I purchased this sheet it was $2.99, and once you purchase it you have access to it forever basically. There's 3 different colors that you can print out or you can download it, so I'm actually doing it on my iPad. And once you do purchase something from her website, you have access to other resources, and I'm going to do a video on one of the resources. I want to say it's called Bare Bones. I believe that's what it is, and going through that really helped me. It's kind of like going through your budget and really getting rid of unnecessary expenses, so to speak. So let's get started with this budget. So this is the month of June, and paycheck date is June, what is tomorrow? The 11th, I want to say. I believe so. I believe it's the 11th. So paycheck. So this is my paycheck, and then I'll have a rollover, which is kind of like a buffer of $100. And this is just my budgeted amount. The actual amount will be what actually deposited in my account and what I have in there as a rollover. So the total is, put this aside. My total is $1747.50. Okay, and first expense is car. So I'm just going to write these out. Mortgage, HOA, T-Mobile, ridiculously expensive. Same with Xfinity. Gas for the home, college, service, and Discover. Excuse my handwriting, it's a little weird on this. Okay, so for car and mortgage, I basically split the amount and then transfer it into an account where I pay it directly. So my car payment split is $162. Mortgage is split $538. This HOA is actually for an assessment. We're getting new mailboxes, and the assessment will be charged the 1st of July, so I decided to break it up. I missed the payment from my last paycheck, so I'm going to double up and put away $88. T-Mobile is $155, and that due date is June 13th, and that'll be automatically paid. Xfinity is due on the 18th, and that is $140.24. Gas for the home is due on the 23rd, and that amount is $36.81. So now my gas is going to be cheaper because I heat with gas as well as for my gas stove. So the gas is going to be much cheaper in the hotter months. College service. This is actually for my daughter. Student loan. And I pay $50. And then this is for another student loan. I pay $75. And that's just to keep a payment on it for her. Eventually this is gonna, I'm gonna be done with that. She will have to take over. So total bills is $12.45, which leaves me with $502.45. Okay, so now I carry that leftover amount into this section called envelopes. I carry that over, $502.45. And this section is for your cash envelopes. So let me do this before I forget. I'm going to mark this, and this highlighter means that this is a transfer amount. Okay. So let's go down here to cash envelopes, and groceries. We'll be getting $100, and this is on a bi-weekly basis. I am a single person living in my home. I have one income to take care of all my expenses, so I kind of divide what I would use on by 2 weeks. So basically, for example, groceries, I'll pull out $100 and I base it $50 per week for one person. Let me know how you budget out your groceries, like your cash envelopes. Do you base it on the amount of people in your home? How do you do that? Leave a comment below in the comments. Let's see. So gas, and this gas is for the car, and that is $80. Now I don't take out my gas because I purchase gas at Sam's Club, so I transfer the money into a different checking account where I just swipe at the pump. And let's see, next is restaurant. And for restaurant, I'm gonna take out $30, and personal, which would be like for self-care type of things, nails, just personal items, that's going to get $40. And spend, I just give myself $30. So in total, that is $280 with a leftover of $222.45. Now, I won't be doing any sinking funds, but I will be adding leftover money to debt, because if you follow my videos, I am working on my debt-free journey, and I will leave a link to my journey confession or my journey video here in the info box and also in the description box. So we're going to carry over the $222.45, and for debt snowball, I am going to take $122. So this is $122, and leftover will be $100, which is going to be my buffer. So I'll add that and call this a buffer and say it's $100, and leftover would be $0. Okay, hopefully I didn't blow that up hopefully you can see that and understand what I just did. Now with this sheet, leftover A would be from your bills, and you carry it over, and she has a I don't want to say, she just lets you know where to place your leftover money in each category. And the goal is to have zero amount left over. So, well, that concludes my budgeting my paycheck using the bill tracker. Stay tuned for the next video where I will be doing the cash stuffing that I budgeted out for this paycheck. If you enjoy this content, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.